I'm about to walk you through the exact Amazon advertising strategy I use to earn a full-time income through Amazon KDP. If you've been struggling with low ad impressions or clicks, stay tuned. I have the solution. This approach is what I use for every book I launch, ensuring the ads remain effective over months and even years. Let's dive right in. Why Amazon ads are important. Amazon ads are essential because they boost your sales and improve your organic rankings, leading to more organic sales. Even if your ads are just breaking even, they still help by increasing your book's visibility. There's really no reason not to utilize Amazon ads. We'll break down how to understand Amazon ads, how ad placements work, and what makes ads profitable. I'll guide you through setting up campaigns, selecting keywords, identifying winning keywords, and optimizing ads for better performance. Understanding Amazon ads. Amazon ads place your book in one of 4 spots: the top of the page, the prime position, the middle, the bottom, or on a specific product page. Placement is determined by keyword relevance, your bid, the likelihood of purchase, and your book's click-through rate. The system is competitive and always evolving, so while no one fully understands the algorithm, these factors are key. The effectiveness of your ads depends on your book, not the ads themselves. To succeed, your book must appeal to buyers. This includes having a compelling, low-competition, high-demand keyword, a professional attention-grabbing cover, an engaging targeted title, at least 20 reviews for social proof, a polished product page with persuasive content and detailed descriptions. Once you pair a desirable book with the right keywords, your ads can thrive. Key metrics to monitor. Keep an eye on these metrics. Click-through rate, CTR. The percentage of people who click on your ad compared to how often it's shown. Cost per click, CPC, the average amount spent per click. Top of search impression share, the percentage of impressions your ad gets in the top placement. ACOS, advertising cost of sale, the most critical metric showing the percentage of ad spend relative to sales. By mastering these elements, you'll optimize your campaigns and get the most out of your Amazon ads. The top search impression percentage measures how often your ads appear in the most desirable top-of-page spot. This placement plays a significant role in a campaign's visibility and success. The ACOS, advertising cost of sales, is another vital metric that evaluates profitability, calculated by dividing your ad spend by the sales attributed to your ads. A lower ACOS is ideal, with the sweet spot generally ranging between 20% and 35%. Now, moving into campaign creation, the strategy involves setting up 4 main types of campaigns for each book. The first is an automatic campaign, where Amazon selects keywords and products to target. You simply set a daily budget and bid, then let it run. Next is the manual product campaign, where you choose specific product pages to display your ads. After that comes the manual keyword campaign, where you target selected keywords, again setting bids and budgets. Finally, as you collect data, you'll create a winning campaign, focusing on the best performing keywords from previous campaigns to scale your efforts. To set up your campaigns, start by accessing your KDP dashboard, clicking on Marketing, and selecting Amazon Ads. Once in the ad creation interface, opt for sponsored products as your ad type. For a basic campaign, stick with a standard ad and choose the product you want to advertise, ideally a paperback book since it tends to be more profitable than ebooks. Begin with automatic targeting for simplicity, using Amazon's suggested bid or slightly higher to ensure placements during the testing phase. Starting with a higher bid allows you to gather data without worrying about losing placements due to insufficient bids. Later, you can lower bids and refine your strategy based on performance. When setting up the bidding strategy, opt for dynamic bids, down only, which ensures you never pay more than your maximum bid, while potentially spending less if a placement costs less. Finally, name your campaign clearly for easy tracking, and avoid setting an end date to keep it running continuously. To start your daily budget for Amazon ads, $10 or more is a good amount to begin with. Once you've set everything up and clicked Launch Campaign, The ad will process for a few hours before going live. After that, you can move on to creating a manual keyword campaign. For the manual keyword campaign, go to the same sponsored products section as before. After selecting your book, switch from automatic targeting to manual targeting. Since this is a keyword campaign, select keyword targeting. The goal here is to test a broad range of keywords to identify the ones that perform best. You'll choose 3 types of keyword targeting: exact match, phrase match, and broad match. This approach allows you to cast a wide net and discover keywords you might not have initially considered. To find relevant keywords, there are 2 main methods. First, Amazon provides a list of suggested keywords based on your book. You can go through this list, select relevant options, and add them in all 3 forms: exact, phrase, and broad. Aim for at least 100 keywords to increase your chances of finding strong performers. The second method involves using an external tool like keywordtool.io. Filter the tool for Amazon and the books category, then enter your main keyword. This will generate a list of related search terms. Copy and paste the relevant ones into your ad dashboard, removing any unnecessary text if needed, and add them as exact, phrase, and broad matches. Once you've selected your keywords, it's time to set bids. Amazon provides a suggested bid range for each keyword. For popular keywords, bid around the middle of the suggested range, as this balances competitiveness with cost-effectiveness. Avoid bidding more than $1 per keyword, especially for books priced around $15, to maintain profitability. Adjust higher bids to something more reasonable, like $2 or less, to ensure profitability without overspending. When starting with Amazon ads, it's essential to adjust your bids carefully. For high-content books, keep the bid within Amazon's suggested range, ideally in the middle, but if it exceeds $1, reduce it to about 85 cents or lower. For low-content books, bids can be much lower, around 25 to 30 cents, as these tend to be less competitive. Set a $10 to $12 daily budget, and once everything is set, click Launch Campaign. Next, create a product targeting campaign. Similar to the keyword campaign, go to Sponsored Products, choose Standard Ad, and select your book. This time, instead of keyword targeting, opt for product targeting. Use Amazon's product suggestions, adding relevant categories and individual products that fit your niche. Focus on targeting books with 400 reviews or fewer, as competing against books with thousands of reviews is unlikely to yield results, especially for a new book. Avoid expanded targeting, as it can lead to spending on less relevant or highly competitive options. Stick to bids in the middle of the suggested range and aim to add 30 to 65 relevant books to target. These 3 campaigns, automatic, manual keyword, and manual product targeting, help identify winning keywords. A winning keyword is one that generates at least 2 sales with an ACOS, advertising cost of sales, below 30%. Once you've identified a winning keyword, transfer it to a dedicated winning campaign. Let the initial campaigns run for about a week to gather sufficient data. Afterward, analyze the performance in your campaign dashboard by navigating to the Search Terms section under Ad Groups. Sort the results by the Orders column to identify keywords that have driven sales. Gradually build a list of winning keywords over time, aiming for over 100 profitable keywords in your winning campaign. This systematic approach helps refine your ads and optimize for profitability. To identify keywords that perform well, start by analyzing the data from your campaigns. Sort the search terms by the number of orders, with the highest orders at the top. Record these keywords in a separate document, noting their cost per click, CPC, which reflects how much you spent per click to generate these sales. A low ACOS combined with multiple sales indicates the CPC is at a good level. Apply this process across your campaigns to find profitable keywords. Once you've gathered a list of winning keywords and ASINs, create dedicated campaigns for them. For the keyword campaign, use exact match targeting, deselecting broad and phrase matches. Use the original CPCs from your analysis as the new bid amounts. For the product campaign, follow a similar process but focus on the specific ASINs you identified. Gradually increase the budget for these campaigns as they begin to perform better. To optimize your ads over time, continue transferring successful keywords and products into the winning campaigns. Monitor and adjust bids based on ACOS performance. If ACOS is too high, reduce the bid. If it's low, below 20%, increase the bid slightly. Additionally, ensure your book itself is optimized. This includes having an engaging cover, an appealing title, and a compelling description. Remember, the ads drive traffic, but the book's quality ultimately converts visitors into buyers. If your campaigns aren't generating impressions or clicks, several factors could be at play. Your keyword might lack demand, be overly saturated, or your book may not appear competitive enough. In competitive niches, you'll need strong reviews, a professional cover, and a curiosity-sparking title. Adjust your bids and improve your book's appeal to stand out. Lastly, ensure you're targeting relevant keywords. If you followed the process correctly, this is unlikely to be the issue. Amazon ads require patience and consistent optimization, but with these strategies, you'll gradually refine your campaigns and find success. Make sure to focus on quality keywords and continuously improve your book's presentation to maximize results. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.